Alright, so step one, you're going to get Pro Mix or you could get Sunshine Mix. Either one works. They're both identical products. Sunshine Mix is a little bit cheaper, but it's exactly the same thing. You're just not paying for the label brand name price for it. And then you also could have mycorrhizal fungi. You could get this one. You could get the Shark brand, whatever you want. And also Schultz Bloom Plus. This is what I prefer because of the high phosphorus content in it. 1/4 of the strength, mix it in, mix in the soil. Same thing with this one also, like 1 tablespoon, I just mix it in here, and then I have a little bit extra left over in here as well. In the water, we're just gonna mix it in a little bit, make it all a little bit proper. Next step, we have a cup. Prefer these ones. They're very good at what we need them to do for. Get a soldering iron, and I'm gonna try not to burn Leo with this. Hang on, I'm gonna put you down for 1 second. All right, so we got 3 holes in it. We have 1, 2, 3. That's all we need at this point. Next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and mix it in here and put it in here. All right, so the soil was a little extra wet, so added a little bit of extra, mix it in. So now it's a perfect consistency where you can squeeze it and actually holds shape, but it's not soggy wet, stupid wet either. And now we go ahead and fill up the cup. Once you fill it up, you gotta shake it a little bit, tap it around, so that actually fills up the extra air pockets and stuff in there. Obviously now we have more room, so we top it off more. All right, so now that's ready. We're gonna put it aside. We grab our fun mixture over here, which is the Dip and Grow. This is an absolute amazing product to have. Highly recommend it. Go ahead and get this mixed up, ready to go. We grab our cutting, and then we're going to go ahead and dip it in. Give it a swirl. Make sure the nodes come in contact, nice and good. We go over here, one-handed over here. So let's switch over. We're going to go ahead and insert it in a spinning pattern. That's what I like to do. I don't like to compact it too much. Get it in, nice and deep. And then, look at that big, beautiful cutting right there. It's in water, ready to go. Now we're going to go ahead and saran wrap it. And there we go. All done. Wrapped. Moisture is intact. We go ahead and put it on the heating mat. Heating mat set at 78. We're going to put it over here and let it be with the rest of the stuff. And hopefully soon we'll see roots. That's it.